An amazing scientific miracle in the Quran that will shock you. 1400 years ago, Allah was telling about fingerprints in the Quran, while scientists only discovered this later with new-built technology. In 1686, the physiologist Marcello Malpighi examined fingerprints under a microscope and noted a series of ridges and loops. In 1880, Sir Francis Galton was the first to show scientifically how fingerprints could be used to identify individuals. He determined through his studies that no two fingerprints are exactly alike, but also that fingerprints remain constant throughout an individual's lifetime. Allah says the following in the Quran: "Do people think we cannot reassemble their bones? Yes, indeed. We are most capable of restoring even their very fingertips. Still, people want to deny what is yet to come. Moreover, today it's possible to restore the appearance even from a single bone, as archaeologists do to restore dinosaurs." This once again proves that the Quran is written by God and couldn't be written by a human, since no human could possibly know of such a scientific discovery 1400 years ago, especially without any modern technology.